How to lock and hide WhatsApp chats. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, we're gonna see how you can easily hide and lock WhatsApp chats. So the very first thing you wanna do is select the chat that you want to hide. So let's say if I wanna go ahead and hide this chat over here and lock it, I can just long press on the chat, tap on the three dots at the top right, and then you'll find an option to lock chat. Go ahead and tap on lock chat, and then tap on continue. And then you can use your fingerprint or face ID or whatever you have set up. And as you can see here, the chat has been locked. Now, in order to find lock chats, you can just go ahead and tap on lock chats up top. Then you can provide your fingerprint and you'll find your chats over here. You can even lock multiple chats. So let's say if I want to lock this one as well, long press three dots at the top right and then lock chat. Provide your fingerprint and then that chat will be also on the lock chat folder. If I head over here, both of these chats will be here. Now, if you want to unlock them, long press on them like this, tap on three dots, and then tap on unlock chats. And then from here, you can just long press on this again on your fingerprint, and then your chats have been unlocked. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.